You ever scroll through your feed and wonder why some short videos just blow up while others kind of fizzle out? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not luck. Not at all. The content that really takes off, especially on platforms like YouTube Shorts, isn't an accident. It's engineered. There's a formula, a really powerful one working behind the scenes.
So that's the million-dollar question, right? How are these creators actually building these little engagement machines that just work so well? Well, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you the blueprint step by step. All right, let's dive right in. We're literally going to deconstruct a high-performing script piece by piece. And I promise, by the end of this, you're going to see the strategy behind every single word, every second of screen time. It's going to be an aha moment. Okay, first up, and you could argue this is the most critical part, is the hook. You've got, what, maybe 5 seconds, if you're lucky, to stop someone from swiping away. This is it. This is where the battle for attention is won or lost. So the script we're breaking down starts with a massive punch. It hits you with this huge statistic right away, 93%. Turns out that's how many online experiences start with a search engine. I mean, just think about that. It immediately makes you feel like, okay, this person knows what they're talking about, especially if you care at all about being seen online. But here's where it gets really clever. A great hook doesn't just throw a fact at you. It pairs it with a question that really makes you think. It's this 1-2 punch that creates this instant curiosity. You can't help but lean in and think, all right, go on. What's the secret? Let's talk about the psychology of what's happening here, because it's fascinating. This whole opening is built to trigger FOMO, the fear of missing out. It taps right into that part of our brain that hates feeling left out. It makes you feel like if you swipe away, you're going to miss some crucial piece of information, some hack that everyone else is about to get. And just like that, you've stopped the scroll. Okay, so you've hooked them. They're listening. Now what? You've got to deliver on that promise you made in the hook, and you have to do it fast. This is where we get to the actual core value of the script. And the script uses this classic, super effective technique called the rule of 3. It lays out exactly what you're going to learn in 3 simple steps: how great content boosts rankings, drives traffic, and builds trust. It's so simple, so memorable, and our brains just love things in threes. It's perfect for a fast-paced format like this. And here's the payoff. The script doesn't just list the steps, it gives you the why for each one. It talks about slashing bounce rates, when people click on your stuff and leave right away. It mentions how it screams expertise, which is how you get those valuable backlinks from other websites. And the big one, it solves real problems and cuts out all the fluff. It's all about results you can actually see. So the value has been delivered. Now it's time to stick the landing with the call to action, the CTA. A truly great CTA doesn't just end the content. It starts a conversation. It builds a relationship. And, this is key, it sends all the right signals to the algorithm. And listen, not all CTAs are created equal, not even close. You could just say subscribe for more, and that's okay. But look at what this script does. It's this powerful 3-part ask. It's not just asking for one thing. It's giving you 3 specific ways to engage, each one a little different. And the strategy here is just brilliant. Think of it like a ladder. A lake is the first step. It's quick, it's easy, low-effort engagement. Then a comment asks for a bit more. It sparks a real conversation. And finally, the subscribe. Well, that's the ultimate goal. That's someone saying, I want to be part of this community. All right, so we've taken the whole thing apart. We've looked at the hook, the value, the CTA. Now let's put it all back together into a simple formula, something you can actually take away and use. And there it is, the whole shebang. The hook uses a question and a stat to create that crucial FOMO. The value gives you 3 clear benefits, that rule of 3 again, and the CTA builds your community with that multi-layered ask. See, this isn't just a one-off script. It's a repeatable system that you can use again and again. So the next time you sit down to create something, don't just wing it. Use this blueprint. Really think about your hook, what your 3 core value points are, and how you're going to ask for engagement. This is how you stop just making content and start making content that truly performs. And that really leaves us with one last and maybe the most important question. Because at the end of the day, all great content, everything that truly connects with people, it all solves a problem. So what problem will your next piece of content solve?